welcome to Vloggy Thursday, where every Thursday I read your comments because your comments matter. But before I read your comments, let's see kung ano nangyari ulit sa Sweet TV.
Sweet TV, TV.
Look, I have a gift from her. It's a fancy bracelet.
Yeah.
It's made of Diet Titan syrup strength. Yeah, every day, okay. Mulupad. Monohand. Monohand. There are two kinds of voice, the high voice and the low voice. Hi, Filipino YouTubers. Look at your eyes, isn't it neat? Complete.
Uy, kompleto daw.
A girl who will still know. Look at this stuff.
I want my eyes to be like not that, but
Like that. Oh my god, oh Chipotle. Chipotle is my life. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
Ayo, bro. This is her eye. See? Oh, you're so cute. Cuteness overload. It's 750. Oh no, it's 62.
yeah.
How does it taste?
Very yummy.
You like it? Kids are doing their diorama today. When I'm done. I haven't had a chance to like write anything, and I also haven't had a chance to like go out grocery shopping.
Model girlfriend.
Now.
Mikay Photography and MCA Photography.
Right now is our
Don't let styling. Very styling.
Don't let. Yak, libre promotion kayo. Ay, iyakin niya nito yung phone. Hindi rin, nakapicture rin kasi yung...
And we won't like get partway through and go like, I forgot to buy the whatever.
If you want to watch or see the photos, the final photos, click Mikay Photography. Mikay Photography on Facebook. Ayan, yung mga photos nila. Okay!
Kaya mo yan.
Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book, a reading rainbow.
Bye!
Sweet TV, buo ang pag-asa sa Sweet TV.
Close daw si Kuya at si KFC. Sorry. Very close. Ayun, so I hope you like it and let's read your comments. First comment. Sabi ni DVD Earth 6 from the video Ate Gay Mashup Compilation Part 9. Sabi niya, I love your videos. Keep doing it. I miss Philippines. Ayun, thank you so much. So you miss Philippines? Ayun lang. Glad that you have enjoyed the videos and sa simpleng paraan na yan, nababawasan yung homesick nyo. 5Ws natin dyan. Saludo po kami sa inyo and good vibes. Next comment from the video ang sabi, the Whisper Challenge with Sweets. Okay, so sabi ni Mirvin John Orais, ha 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 ha. Ayan na naman. Pambili ng bisita, pamilit, pamilya, lola, trip. O yun. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. Mirvin, dyan. Next comment from Ina Maris Lial. Sabi niya, thank you for mentioning me. And at the same time, plugging my channel again. Habay na habay nga sa akin mga videos mo. More power and more collabs to come. Ayun, more power, Rangers. Okay? So, Ina Maris Lial, thank you so much for again watching. And I hope may collab tayo soon again for the Mashup Tuesdays or Fridays. Okay, you're welcome. Next comment. Ang sabi na Hypergab, thank you po again sa pag-mention. Nakadalawa ko ngayon Nakadalawa talaga. Actually, parang tatlo. Nakakatuwa po yung challenge. Ang cute niyo pong panoorin ni Sweets mo. It's a coincidence. Kasi before pa po ako mag-start ng YouTube channel, nakaplano na yung challenge sa utak ko. Naunahan ako ng Showtime. Never mind, may iba pa naman akong challenge na binuo. By the way po pala, get ready, baka isa sa mga Filipino YouTubers ang ma-feature ko po sa news segment ko na Stock Show! #Stock Show. Nice uploads po, nakaka-good vibes talaga. Pati po ang aking ina natatawa na rin. God bless po. Ayun. So, God bless sa bago mong talk show or stock show na video or project sa channel mo. And ayun, thank you so much at natuwa kayo sa amin ni Sweet C. Okay, Hypergab, thank you so much for again watching the videos. Ayun. Next comment, sabi ni Margio Ishibashi. Thank you po ulit sa pag-mention. Ang ganda talaga ni Ate Girlfriend. Parang kahawig ni Joyce Ching. Okay, Jace. Ayun na nga, si Joyce Ching. Kita nyo last Monday, sinitreat ko si Margio Ishibashi na minention din kami ni Sweet sa kanyang vlog. So ayun, thank you so much ulit for mentioning us, si Joyce Ching. Mukha ba talaga si Joyce Ching? Na, okay, thank you. Sabi ni Mick Delgado, relationship goals, heart. Ang cute niyong dalawa, thanks ulit sa pag-mention. And okay. Yun, thank you Mick. Relationship goals talaga. Natuwa ka rin. Thank you so much, ha? Okay. Next comment, sabi ni Jomel Dumas, dapat mas maganda ang camera mo para mas magandang tingnan. Yun na nga, nagpaplano akong bumili ng bagong camera ko, yung mas malinaw, mas crisp yung sound. Hopefully next month bibili na ako para mas maganda ang presentation. Aliw kayo. Sabi rin na kasi ng TMG, yun lang new viewer ka siguro, Jomel. So thank you so much for watching the video. Sa patuloy na nanonood, thank you so much for you're watching kahit quality natin hindi naman masyadong maganda. So hopefully next month, ha? Okay. Next comment by John Carlos Senieres. Thumbs up again to. Thumbs up again to. Try mo kaya Gas Adelgas na kakanta ng kanta. Parang tongue twister. Nakakanta ng kanta ni Pacquiao yung bago. Kaya mo yun. Hahaha. Gusto ko din marinig ng Barney. Barney? Okay, Gas Adelgas singing a Pacquiao song. A Pacquiao song. Ni Pacquiao, kaya ba ni Gas Adelgas kumanta ng Pacquiao song? Yung lalaban ako. Try natin. Pag hindi na tanong sa aking isipan. Hindi kaya? Hindi, parang hindi siya kumakanta. Parang siya nagre-recite lang.
Lalaban ako sa mundo, sarang pangalan mo.
Siguro ibang kanta na lang ni Gas Adelgas. Ha? Okay. Pwede pa yung All About That Bass. Because you know I'm all about the bass, no tremble. I'm all about the bass, no tremble. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I know size too, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. Okay, here are some other songs by Got to the Gas. Check it out. Bang bang into the room. I know you want it. Bang bang into the room. Wait a minute, I will take you there. Bang bang into the room. Dahil nag-bang bang siya. Patay. Bang bang. Bineng bang. Boom, panes. Boom boom, panes, panes. Don't believe it just once. Up down from you out. Back up from you out. Ayun. So I hope na-enjoy ka. And sige, gusto mo rin marinig si Barney. Finally, all you happen to me. One was clean, all about it for just $7.50. Thank you so much. It's just $7.50. Boy, oh boy. And because it's just $7.50, it's a great time to use your imagination to have lots of fun. Ay nako, si Barney, parang sinitipon lang, di ba? Nakaka-Barney. Okay, next comment. Sabi ni Blake or Kia sa video na Ate Gay Mashup Compilation Part 8. Sabi niya, paano po ba mag-send ng video? Nakaka-Barney talaga, no? Paano mag-send ng videos? Just post it to my Facebook page, the Online Harlem YouTube. Ayun, hanapin niyo lang. Or sa Mashup Republic Facebook page. Next comment ni Margio Isabashi Arte. Margio Ishibashi sa video na Mr. Right ni Kim Chu sa Gensta. Nakakatawa yung reaction nyo. Salamat po sa panonood. And thank you po. Ano nangyayari? Thank you din sa panonood. And diba? Kasi natutuwa ako na nanonood kayo ng mga videos ko and you like it and you enjoy it. Good vibes lang. And remember, be nice to people and good vibes. TK! Sa video ng Wicked Leaks animated miniseries teaser, ang sabi ni Sandy Castillo, hehehe. Sabi ni Luisana Pereira, weekend. Yuka Lockhart, y para cuando dicen que empieza? Anyway, hindi ito sila Pinoy. Feeling ko lang naman hindi sila Pinoy. Ang sabi ni ko, Sexy Conji, pa-shoutout naman ako sa iyo at sa girlfriend mo. Hihi, thank you. Wish granted. Ay, Kusexy Conji. Kusexy. Ayun, Sequoia Vlogs. Diba, may Switch TV tayo, sila may Sequoia Vlogs. Hi, bye. Okay, from the video Mashup Friday, 12:51 by Chrissy and Erica with featuring I Smile Kristen. Sabi ni Hazel Fuentes Pina. Sabi niya, I Smile Kristen 1994, go! At last trip. Ayun, Hazel, thank you so much for commenting. And yan, first comment dito sa channel ko. And hope to meet you soon. Okay? Ang sabi ni Hypergab, at ito na naman pong kanta ang binasag ni Kuya Harlem. One like, one pray po. Joke, just kidding. Great job po ulit. Gusto ko po yung pagkapasok sa chorus. Ayun, loko ka, one like, one pray. Okay, so that's all for our vlog Thursday, and I hope you like it. And check my other videos. I upload vlogs every Mondays and Thursdays, mashup songs every Tuesdays and Fridays, and random videos every Wednesday. Last Tuesday, I uploaded a mashup collab with John Carlos Nieres singing Indian by Linkin Park. Tomorrow, it's Mashup Friday, and I don't know kung sino ang kakakolab ko tomorrow. By the way, sabi ni Faith Kalinawan, friend ni Sweets, friend ni girlfriend, friend ko na din, gusto niya raw kantahin ko yung Alipin by Shamrock. If you have comments, put it down below so that I can read it next Thursday. Yun. Okay, question. Ito na lang, para may babasahin ako. I have just watched kasi a movie entitled Predestination. At nakakabaliw. Ibang klaseng movie yun. Di ba? Papanoorin ko ulit. And question, anong movie na marirecommend nyo sa akin na panoorin ko? Yung mga ganong klaseng movie. Okay, so just comment it down below. At baka babasahin ko yan next Vloggy Thursday. And baka panoorin ko yan. So that's all for today. See you next time. And good vibes.
Bisaya ako.
Ito nga ba si Mr. White? Ito nga ba love of my life? True? Yung Kim Chiu na yan? Oo, feeling ko. Pwede siyang sumali ng PBB.